Okay. And for part B, and you know what, before we do part B, let's go back and let's check our answer for part A using the graphing calculator because I promised we'd do that. We can go to the graphing calculator and we can actually check right here. We can check what our values are at x equals 2. And we can check these numbers right here. Okay. And we can see that all we have to do is take these numbers, 1705.636, 1537.6, 1254.4, and we just have to divide them in half. So if I calculate right here, what was this first one? 1254.4. 1254.4 divided by 2. That's the 627. Oh, and I wanted to subtract the 1,000 from that. See, that's the 127.2. And then I can do this for the 1537.6. 1537.6. There's the 268 number that we had. And then here's the 1705.64. 1705.64. And there's the 352.82 number. So the graphing calculator can also help us do calculations within it right there. Okay. So now we want to do at the end of the 10th year and the end of the 12th year. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the scientific calculator. And I'm going to put right here 10th and 12th. So this is going to be the 12th year minus the 10th year. And then I'm going to put right here, I'm going to start out with a 12% interest rate. And I'm going to go to the 12th year. And then I'm going to put this as the 12% interest rate. And I'm raising this to the power of the 10th year. So that should give us 395.06 for A. And I'll actually write down that expression. There's just a one time. So we know this is going to be 1,000 times 1.12 to the 12th power minus 1,000 times 1.12 to the 10th power over 12 minus 10. And that got us the 395.06. Okay, and then for B, all we have to do is change out the interest rate. So we'll just change this to 24. And now we get, oh my goodness, 2,310.18. And let's see what this looks like at a 30.6% interest. 0.306. Oh my goodness, 5,093.10. Wow. So if you're only paying a 12% interest rate between years 10 and 12, it's still only increasing at a rate of, almost $400 per year. But if you're paying a 30.6% interest rate, it's the amount that you're owing is increasing by $5,000 per year. Wow. That's a good reason to pay your credit cards off early and not let them sit there for 10 to 12 years.